Hello everyone, and this is Sara Speechly, Superstar Director of Team Heaven Sent. So today I want to help you all reach for the Keep Going, Keep Growing incentive. In order to reach any of the levels, you do have to get a new recruit and get them certified. So I wanted to talk briefly about the best way to get a new recruit is the host exclusive kit. Now, if you have parties booked, always offer that to the host to flip the party, and she can use her host rewards to earn at little or no out-of-pocket cost. Now, if the host doesn't want to join, that's okay. Ask any of the guests or the customers that have bought with her if they want to take advantage of that $59 kit. I have the image in our team site. You get quite a bit. You can show them the difference, the $99, the $59. For $59, you get all of this, a warmer, a bar, you get scent circle, you get some cleaning supplies. It's a great deal. Plus they have the opportunity to make it an amazing business. Since he's been such a blessing to me, don't hold that back from asking others to join. Offer that host exclusive kit to everyone. Now, if no one at the party wants to join, you keep going down your list. Go through your list of 100. Text people that you think would be good. Text your customers. Text your family. Who do you think would be a great consultant? You never know. Don't be afraid to ask. And this host exclusive is a great way to ask. I have some images you can use. Post them in the Heaven Sent Team page to help you get out there and ask. Now also, I have made host flip conversations on what you can say privately and publicly, several different ways of how you can ask, and if they say no, ask for a referral. So make sure every single party that you close, you are attaching a new recruit to. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm excited to see you grow your team and earn these incentives. There's lots of awesome gifts and prizes, so make sure to work on the recruiting and keep asking everyone. You never know what a blessing it will be to them. So don't take that away from them. Think of it as the blessing you are offering them, not a burden. It is a great opportunity, and I'm excited to watch your team grow. Bye, guys.